doing today hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Hydrolysis of methyl acetate experiment we are doing. We are taking in burette. Then fill చేస్తుంటే చెప్పు. We are taking in burette 0.5 దగ్గరికి. నన్ను ఏం తీయకమంది. లేదు. 0.5 molar NaOH we are filling with burette. This is 0.5 molar NaOH. We are filling in burette. NaOH we are filling in burette. And mix with burette sand. Till 0. Burette we are filling with NaOH till 0. Then we can fix with burette sand. Then we can take in conical flask 1 or 2 ice pieces. 1 or 2 ice pieces we are taking in conical flask. Ice pieces, and we can add indicator, phenolphthalein indicator. We are adding 1 or 2 drops in conical flask. We are taking ice pieces in conical flask. In that only we are adding 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Then we can keep in here. After that we are taking 90 ml of HCl in reagent bottle. 90 ml of HCl in reagent bottle, along with measuring cylinder. This is the 90 ml of HCl. 1 molar HCl we are taking. This is 90 ml. We are taking in reagent bottle, clean reagent bottle. Then after this we are taking in test tube, in small test tube. We are taking in small test tube 10 ml of methyl acetate. 10 ml of methyl acetate. This is the 10 ml measuring cylinder. This is the test tube. We are taking 10 ml of methyl acetate in test tube. Taking in test tube. We kept in test tube stand. Then we are ready everything. Then this is the 10 ml pipette. This is the burette. This is the conical flask. Everything we kept ready. Then when we are adding in methyl acetate in reagent bottle, already add HCl. 1 molar HCl is there in this reagent bottle. When we are adding in this reagent bottle methyl acetate, on that time we have to note down the time. Now here, when we are adding methyl acetate, we have to note down that time. Once we can shake it, reaction mixture, then immediately pipette out 10 ml of reaction mixture into, already we add ice into that. Already we add into ice, along with ice phenolphthalein indicator. We are adding into conical flask this 10 ml of reaction mixture along with pipette. This is the 0 minute reading. Immediately we put out 10 ml of reaction mixture into conical flask. Now we are titrating with against NaOH. See, titrating with against of NaOH. Where we will get end point, we can stop it there only. Sharp end point we are getting. This is the end point. Note down this burette reading. See, this is 0 minute reading. 21.7. 21.7. 0 minute reading is 21.7. This is 0 minute reading. Okay? One reading is over. This is called 0 minute reading. After this we have to take 10th minute reading. When we started 10:11 we started. After this we have to do second reading. Second reading means 10th minute reading. That is 10:21 we have to pipette out. Again we have to fill with burette NaOH. See 0 level, again we have to fill with NaOH burette and fix it burette stand. Conical flask, we can wash conical flask neatly. Then again we have to add into this conical flask ice pieces, 2-3 ice pieces. Then we can add into this 1 or 2 drops of indicator, phenolphthalein indicator. Wait for 10th minute reading. When we will reach 10th minute means 9 minutes 45 seconds. On that time again we have to pipette out reaction mixture from the reagent bottle into conical flask. Titrate with NaOH. Time wait. Stop session.
Right.
Now we can pipette out 10th minute reading. Now we are doing 10th minute reading. Pipette out reaction mixture into conical flask. This is the 10th minute reading. First one V0, 0 minute reading. We are titrating against of 0.5 molar NaOH. It is in the burette. This is the 10th minute reading. Now reading 10th minute reading is 23.6 now. See, this is the reading, burette reading. When we are taking reading, we have to put nail on that line. Again we have to see our eye level only. This is the 10th minute reading. 23.6. 23.6. Again we have to wash conical flask. Again we have to wash conical flask. Again we have to put into conical flask ice pieces and indicator. This is for 28-minute reading. 20. 20-minute reading we have to take. After this, before this reading, we have to take for V infinity. Approximately 20 ml of reaction mixture in boiling tube we are taking. Approximately we are taking 20 ml of reaction mixture into boiling tube. This is for V infinity. We have to keep this test tube in the water bath for 1 hour. After totally we have to finish this titration. After that only we have to take from the water bath. Again we have to pipette out into 10 ml of reaction mixture from this test tube into conical flask. No need ice there. Here we are keeping in the water bath. This is the water bath. This is the water bath. 1 second.
Stop just now.
10th minute. After 10th minute, we have to take some solution, reaction mixture from the reagent bottle in a boiling tube, approximately 20 ml. This is we are keeping in water bath for 1 hour. For 1 hour. After 1 hour only, we have to take from this water bath this test tube. From this test tube, we have to pipette out 10 ml of reaction mixture into conical flask. We are adding into 1 or 2 drops of indicator. Then we can titrate with energy. That is called V infinity reading. This is the water bath. We have to 1 hour maintain the 60-degree temperature. Here, automatically it is cut up. When it is come 60 degrees, water is boil 60 degrees, automatically it will cut up. This is called water bath. Totally we are keeping in reaction solution in this water bath along with boiling tube and test tube holder. We have continued that titration. Now after 1 hour only we are coming here. This is the 38-minute reading. We are doing 30-minute reading now. This is the 30-minute reading. -minute 20-minute reading. This is the 20-minute reading. Sorry, this is the 20-minute reading. We are titrating with energy. 20-minute reading. This is 20-minute reading. Already we added into this ice and indicator. This is the end point. Now we are taking reading 26.7. 26.7. 26.7. Okay. Now we are filling again with NaOH. Stop. Now we are taken ice into conical flask again. We are adding indicator 1 or 2 drops of indicator phenolphthalein into conical flask. Then we fill with NaOH burette till 0 level. Then we can pipette out 10 ml of reaction mixture into conical flask. Again, this is the 30-minute reading. This is 30-minute reading. Then we can titrate with NaOH again. This is the our 30-minute reading. How much we are got it, we can see on the burette. 30-minute reading is 28.5. No, 28.7. See here. This is the reading. This is 28. This is 5, 1, 2. 28.7. Okay. Now, after this, we have to do 40-minute reading. Ice we added into conical flask. Indicator 2-3 drops. Again. Then we have to fill up with NaOH burette 0 level. We can pipette out reaction mixture into conical flask. 10 ml of reaction mixture into conical flask. This is the 40-minute reading. This is 40-minute reading. This is the 40-minute reading. 40-minute reading is 30.4. 30.4. No. 30.7. 30.7. This is also 30.7. Okay, this is also 30.7. Now we have to do one more reading, that is last reading, 50-minute reading. After that reading we have to do V infinity, where we kept that boiling tube in the water bath we kept now. That is the 50-minute reading. We are using that solution after 50-minute reading. This is the 50-minute reading, last reading, 50 minutes reading. After this we have to do V infinity. This is the 50-minute reading. Indicator 2-3 drops. Then we have to titrate with NaOH. .1 we in 50-minute reading is 31.1. okay, 31.1. okay, after this we have to do V infinity. Now we are doing V infinity. Stop. We are filling again with NaOH direct. We are taking out V infinity solution from the water bath. We are taking water bath. This is V infinity solution. V infinity solution. From this V infinity solution, no need ice adding now. V infinity solution. From V infinity solution we have to pipette out 10 ml of reaction mixture. This is 10 ml. We are taking into conical flask. And indicator 2-3 drops we are adding into this. We are adding 2-3 drops and titrate with NaOH. May infinity is 45. May infinity reading is 45. Okay? Stop making.